Today we are going to use the Dewinter compound light microscope. Here I opened the Digicam app, then click on the DG510, and now focusing on the object. Today our object is pharmacognosy sample powder of a leaf. Now focusing on that, using the fine adjustment screw, I'm just focusing the sample using the cursor moving towards the right, little bit more. Yeah, now it's in the center, and our object, which is the under the prime focus. Now adjusting the fine adjustment screw. Now it's looking fine. Yeah. Yeah, more clarity is required. Kindly just, yes, rotate the fine adjustment screw towards opposite direction. Now it's fine. Now setting it in 10x, because 10x objective lens is there. Adding the scale because it is needed to get published in high quality journals. So putting 2 micrometer size scale there, using the scale bar, so you can see the scale is there. It is red in color. We usually prefer to use black color for the for this kind of purposes, and so I am changing the color of the scale and the font, and also increasing the font size to make it visible. Okay, now using the arrow, I am moving the scale to a proper place. Yeah, now it is placed, and now we are using the layer button, and then merge to image, clicking on merge to image, and then click on OK, and now the scale is merged on the image. Just go to the file and click on quick save button. Now your photograph is saved. Now you can see in the stmb folder there. Here you go. So this is how we take images.